Hey guys, just want to go over a few things that we've added to CLIPitc. So first thing we're going to look at is under the customer section. So underneath the customer section, we've added a new button called Message Customer. So if you want to send your customer an invoice, email, or an invoice text, auto pay request, or a blank email, outside of the invoicing process, say you have one that you want to remind them to pay, you can choose the invoice that you want to include and then pick the address for the customer, email address for the customer, or if it's an invoice text, same thing. Auto pay request, if they need to update their auto pay information, or just a blank email. The email addresses come from what's in the customer section. So if I go back to the customer section, you can see I have these two email addresses checked to be able to email invoice to the customer. So if it's text message, make sure that they've got the text checked next to those phone numbers. The next thing that we've got is under the properties section. We added a button to view map that'll bring you over to Google and show you the location of that particular property on Google Maps. The next one is under the daily work section. So if we go to daily work, click on record work, we've added a print work marked as done option here. So if you want to just get a report of things that are waiting to be finalized in the workbank, you can click that to pull up the daily work report. We've added the material cost to the daily work report. Some other things that we've done are under the pattern program section. You can push around out to all of your customers if you want to. So just go to the program, go down to the round, click add round to all properties, and that'll push that out to any properties that have that program but don't have that round yet. Click OK. Another thing that we've added is under the end of year functions section. So if you go to customize end of year functions, we have the reset discount on jobs section. So if you want to, you can select all or just certain discounts, or all jobs or certain jobs. Then when you process that, it will set the discount back and clear it from all the jobs that it had been applied to. So next, we've added a grand total to the employee efficiency report. So that would be under the report section, employee, and then efficiency report. And then now, if you go to the very bottom, there is a grand total for the entire report. That will include the numbers for all of the employees together that are showing on that report. That's it for the CLIPitc section for the features that I'll be pointing out today.